Hello Hiptubers and welcome back to my channel.
Subscribe to my channel and watch hundreds of DIY videos.
Today's video will be about making a mini HDTV antenna, making of HDTV antenna, a small TV antenna that works, and I'm gonna prove that at the end of this video. And this is the diagram of the antenna, and I'm gonna explain that it's made from two copper wires that are bent at specific angle. The first angle is critical and must be at 135 degrees, and the last one 135 degrees. These angles are under 90 degrees, and after making the two segments, the gap between two segments is 1 centimeters, and each part is long 3 centimeters or 1.18 inches. Down there you're gonna connect the coax cable. One wire or grounding wire will go to the left side, and the center wire from the coax cable will go on the right segment of the antenna. For making the mini HDTV antenna, you will need a small piece of wood, 4 screws and washers, and this kind of cable, which is electric cable with solid copper wires. And almost forget the coax cable with antenna plug. homemade HDTV antenna is finished, and now I'm gonna prove it that it's working, and it will work everywhere where there is a free HD TV channels. Remember, this antenna will work only if you're in your country or region have free HD TV channels. There is the antenna jack plugged into the TV. This is the cable. This is my homemade HDTV antenna, and it's working. Now I'm gonna unplug it and see that it's not working without it. Unplug it, no signal. You can see that this homemade DIY TV antenna, it's working, and it's a simple design, and I recommend to make it and try it. That's all for today's video. Please share, subscribe, and visit my channel page for more DIY videos. See ya! It's working great.